Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. In today's video, I wanted to show you all the little tips and tricks with Safari tabs. So then this is like a video I wanted to make that this is all you need. And a lot of people don't know these little tricks, but it just helps your workflow a little bit faster. For example, say I have 3 tabs open right now. We have YouTube, we have Apple, we have this one right here. If I want to add another tab, just for quickness, I can just push Command and T. So Command and T, and that creates a new tab. Then I could go ahead and type in whatever on the top. But say I want to erase, say I have too many tabs open. So I have like too many tabs open. What I'm gonna wanna do is go ahead and push Command W, and then see how it erases. So whatever tab you're on, the tab next to it will erase. So as you can see how it just deletes. So I push Command W. But if you made a mistake and you want that tab to go back, then we're gonna go ahead and push Command Shift and T, and then that tab will pop back up. So for example, if I'm here and I push Command W, that erases the Apple. Then I can, if I want that to come back, all I have to do is push Command Shift and T, and voila, it's back. Now, if you have too many tabs open, and say this is all for work, but then now you're like, okay, it's time to relax. So what you can do is go ahead to not interfere with all your work tabs, on this window, you can start a new window. And it's so simple. All you have to do is go ahead and hold down the tab. Sorry, you can't see right here. Okay, let me move it this way. So then all we're gonna do is go to the tab. We're gonna hold down, drag it like this, and then it's just gonna start a new window for us. All right, so that's quite convenient. Try that out. I always use that. All right, but yeah, like let's say that now we drag this out and then we have a bunch of new tabs here with Command and T, and then we wanna merge everything back together. What we're gonna wanna do is go to the windows on top right here. We're gonna go to Windows. There's no shortcut for this, but you'll see that there's a merge all windows. And then this will put everything back together. I actually had some more windows, but then now it's like a ton of tabs, right? Okay, so you can do that. All right, so say you have a bunch of tabs and you're going back and forth. This is another little shortcut. What you can do is we're gonna go ahead and switch tabs like this, left and right, by only pushing Control and Tab like this. And then this will keep going to the right. So you can keep going to your different tabs. But if you wanna go back, sorry about that, then we're gonna push Control, Shift, and Tab. And then now you can go back. So you can go ahead and mess around with that, switching back and forth. This is quite convenient. Once you get used to it, you can use one hand to do it, and then it gets really fast. So then you could just switch it back and forth. All right, guys, we got a couple more. So this one, you're gonna wanna, if you wanna keep one tab open and close all the other tabs, all you have to do is go to that tab, and then you're gonna want to use 2-finger or right click, and then we're gonna go ahead and right click that tab. Then we're gonna wanna keep one finger on, and you can go to close other tabs. Now, I'm not gonna do that right now, but then this is an option that you can do. You could also now it has like a whole menu. While we're on this, if we wanna pin certain tabs, we can. So this is an important tab. I could go ahead and pin that tab. Then it'll start to put all the pin tabs to the left. These are now like priority tabs. So then if you're organizing like work and versus like pleasure, then you can kind of organize your tabs in this manner. There's a couple other things, but the video is getting a little bit long and this is Quick Assist. So I want to just show you these are the main things. If you get good with this and with your workflow, it'll get really fast with using the tabs in Safari and opening up new websites and videos and apps and things like that. So go ahead and practice these. If this video has helped, please like, comment, or subscribe. If you like this video, I'll try to make some more. There's actually some other stuff you can do with tabs. But then, the closing the tabs and adding new tabs, the moving tabs back and forth, these are some of the things that are going to help you work faster. So go ahead and try that out. And if this video helped, please like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time. Bye-bye.